Hey you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be opening this quarter's Ipsy icon box. So if you'd like to see what's inside this icon box, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this icon box to try. All right, you guys. So the moment we've all been waiting for, this quarter's icon box is curated by none other than Gwen Stefani. So inside the icon box, you get this cute little paper. It looks like a newspaper. I'm so in love, so adorable. And it's Gwen Stefani on the front, on the cover. And inside this newspaper, it tells a little bit about Gwen and what you can expect to find in the icon box for this quarter. It also tells a little bit about some products from Gwen's brand. If you did not know, Gwen Stefani has a brand called Give, and it is so super clever. It is spelled GXVE, and the reason behind that is because G standing for Gwen, obviously, and then the X meaning kiss. That's how Gwen has always signed her name, is GX, and yeah. So it's called Give Beauty. So clever, so cute, and very personalized to her. There are some of the products in her beauty line. Then we've got a quote from Gwen, and she's looking so stunning. And then on this page, it says glow like Gwen. Underneath it, all the secrets to ageless skin. And it shows some of Gwen's favorites. And then on the back here, it shows a few iconic looks from like award shows. There's one from the Met Gala. And Gwen talks a little bit about each look, which is super cool. And what is super cool that I learned in this newspaper about Gwen is that she did her own makeup throughout most of her, no doubt, career touring. So I thought that was really, really cool. Something I did not know. All right, so the first product inside the icon box curated by Gwen Stefani is the Ren Clean Skincare Glycolactic Radiance Renewal Mask with AHA. And this is a fast-acting exfoliating mask that is formulated to get rid of dead skin cells for a brighter, more luminous complexion. This is going to really improve your skin's radiance, its texture, and give you a smoother, more refined, healthier look. Next in the box, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax, and it did come with the little spatula and spoolie. It's a little dirty right now because I did do my brows with it, but it's kind of like you're getting 9 products instead of 8 because this spoolie. And you guys, I do own the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze already, and I absolutely love it. Next, we have the Dominique Cosmetics Essential Palette. And this is such a beautiful, neutral, kind of cool toned palette. There's some cool toned shades in there, but also some warmer ones as well. But it is so, so pretty. And I do have this on my eyes today. Next in the box, we have a product from Gwen's brand. This is the Line It Up 24-Hour Gel Pencil Eyeliner in the shade Bathwater. It looks a little something like this outside of the box. And you guys, this is just a super buttery pencil. And I have this on my eyes today. Next is the KVD Full Sleeve Long Define Tubing Mascara. This is in the shade Ink Black, and it looks a little something like this. Super pretty packaging. And here is the wand. Next, we have the Sacha Heat Protection Hair Cream. You guys, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, if I could bottle this and put it into a perfume, I totally would. And this is going to protect your hair from heat up to 428 degrees. It has detangling properties and provides moisture and shine as well. Next, we have another product from Gwen's brand. This is the Give Original Me High Performance Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Tragic Me. And you guys, can we talk about the cute packaging? You open it up and it's like a bandana. Love that. And then look at this component, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? So in love with the packaging, and it is just such a gorgeous lipstick. Last but not least, in the Icon box, we have the Maison Louis Marie Perfume, and this is number 13. So the top notes have coconut water, lemon. The mid notes have tonka, agave, Tuscan fig. And then the base notes are like amber and santal. You guys, this smells so, so good. And what I love about this is it's a roller ball. Ah, smells so, so good. Oh my gosh. Well, that is it, you guys, for this quarter's Icon box from Ipsy, curated by Gwen Stefani. Let me know down in the comments below what product was your favorite or which one you hope to try. You guys, the Icon box is only $60 a quarter. You get 8 full-sized celeb curated products, and everything in the box is worth up to $350. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me this Icon box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.